This is all open. You park, this is all living space. The kids can just play. Look, they can't get out.
So what do you think we should do, guys? What do you think we should do?
What are we doing right now, Steph?
Focusing the camera.
Focusing the camera, focusing the camera, focusing the camera, focusing the camera. We are on our way to Camping World to pick out our trailer.
So,
keys!
I don't know where the keys are.
Oh, you never know where the keys are.
Okay, we want to apologize that we went to Camping World or General or RV last time and we didn't show any trailers. I heard there were some complaints. So, we are going to show trailers this time and talk about it and show you what we like and don't like.
We are looking for the bunkhouse travel trailer with the dual slide outs in the back.
In the back.
With a door on it.
Okay.
We need some sort of privacy.
You need to pick up your daughter.
Oh, I always forget about that.
We gotta go pick up Cozy.
We need some sort of privacy, if you know what I mean.
Right, because, you know, we cook all night long, right?
We cook, and it gets messy.
Smoky.
Because of the bacon. Or meat.
Okay, we'll see you at Camping World.
We are here, and we picked up a couple stragglers. Papa and Nana are inside.
Cozy, are you ready? We're gonna go get some trailers.
Sorry?
So this one has the double slide, and that's why we like it in the back. It makes the back room huge.
Double slide. We like this.
So see how big it is?
1, 2, 3, 4 bunks. We can all sleep back here.
And then it has 2 beds here.
Yeah.
Go on, Coz.
A potty.
That is a potty.
So
Yeah,
what?
maybe we don't need the bunkhouse.
I know, this is nice, right?
So you can put a kid right here.
Yeah. Kid right there,
And a
kid right here.
That will be.
I like this. This feels more livable. Look at that TV, Mom.
Look at this whole front seat.
That's nice.
I like that.
That window.
This is awesome.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
This is nice. This cooking
this
area.
Turn into a bed. They might have this same model.
They usually do. You can change it out. That's a bed though.
Right.
Look at this fridge.
Kind of a tight squeeze in there though.
So here's the bathroom. I do wish I had a tub though. The tubs are nice for kids, right?
It don't matter. Spray them with the hose.
We have one.
Yeah, I like this.
This is nice. Do you like this one, Coz?
My skip, the Thousand Oaks.
Can I push her off, Mom?
Ready, Coz?
You guys ready back there? Ready?
We're ready.
Bunks come down on the elevator system. Okay? This is all open. You park, this is all living space. The kids can just play. Look, they can't get out. They can't get out. They can be out. They should be on their scooter. Where? Full cooking area. Cozy bed. Desmond's bed gonna be in there. Oh, by the way, these are heated massage seats. You can set the set.
How much is this?
I don't know. I don't care. Right. Awesome bathroom. Walk in here. There's also a TV up here where I can do my videos. Just saying. Pretty cool.
This is a lot. This is probably like 100 something.
I don't care. She sleeps up there, he sleeps back here.
Okay, so now we're in a used one. This is what I like. Nick liked the giant, massive, crazy one. So this is the used one. So here's the master bedroom.
This whole thing out.
Here's the shower, the sink, the little toilet.
This is made for an old TV, but you could
You just take it out.
or you could cut it, and or however,
Just take it out. So this is your living area. I like if these were gone, it'd be huge.
don't ever see something like this.
The big window. And look at the kitchen.
You could get a new blind just to the kind
Look at this kitchen.
I know. I think it's a great floor plan.
So this is a bed, and this is a bed. It's perfect.
You
This.
can look at all your storage.
I will win.
Gobs of storage.
I will win this fight. I am not spending $80,000 on that beast. Okay, here's another used model. You should have never gone in there. Never gone in there. I'm mad at you.
I would have been so mad if like.
Mad at you.
But
this one's not bad.
It's good to look at all of them because you have to know what fits you.
This is not bad, Nick. Come in here. Come on.
I've already been in these ones.
Here's the kitchen. Living area. That's a big living area.
I get to this point right here, and I still have another 15 feet.
No, none of those toy haulers had an area like this. In the bedroom. I loved that used one. Nick, come here. If we get those expensive ones, we're in debt again.
I want to look at the fifth wheels right here.
You get that? Like, if we get a used one, we can pay for it in cash. And we have...
But you're unhappy though. Like,
I wasn't unhappy in that. I want you to go into that used one.
I want to live in this full time for years. I want to. Like,
you can.
It's accessibility.
Just think about it. Shiplap all the walls. A beautiful backsplash in the kitchen. New flooring. Take out the carpet. It was beautiful.
It was small.
There he goes. Looking at those monsters. Here he goes.
What's up, Steph?
It's too many decisions. It's hard. Harder than picking a house.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh my goodness.
What'd you say?
We need a pros and cons list of like all the different options. So like washer and dryer. Like I don't think we can do this without a washer and dryer.
Can you do this without a washer and dryer?
I don't want to be just. I don't want to have to live near coin laundry or be looking at the different campsites that have coin laundry.
Oh, I agree with you. Did you like the one with the sink? The window sink?
I did.
That one was awesome.
But that cost just as much as my favorite.
I did not like yours at all. I think it...
Mine has a lot more storage space and living space.
We don't need storage. We don't have anything.
You're living in this full time. We have things that you're gonna want to bring. The used one that you saw had no other storage.
I just didn't like your layout at all. I did not like the living space at all.
That one you can get, so that one had a sliding door. I liked that because you could see through it, but I'd be able to close it. I can work in there, they can sleep in there, but we can also take the sliding door out completely and just put trim around it.
I just didn't
it was awesome. It was awesome.
I just didn't like it. I didn't get the feels.
I got the feels.
I didn't get the feels at all. I need the feels. Okay, what was your second favorite? Not those giant fifth wheels out of all the other ones we saw.
I don't know anymore because I started looking at all the storage space and...
Okay, here's the thing. We have to get a $70,000 trailer. We have to get a $40,000 truck.
But your trailer costs just as much as one of my trailers that I saw.
I didn't say we had to get that one. I just said that was my favorite. But I liked the smaller real living ones.
I hate it when we don't. It's not even looking at me. I hate it when we don't agree with each other. Because now this is just going to be like a month-long conversation.
What did you guys like? What did you think we should get? I liked the one with...
Who's right? Me or Steph?
I didn't like how little the living area was in those giant toy haulers.
It wasn't little.
But it felt little because it just did. It just felt small.
There was tons of room.
I just don't know if I loved it. I really liked the used one. I feel like we could make that our own because that's what we're so good at. Really good.
I hate that. I don't want to work. I just want to hook up to my car and leave.
We'd be really good. We would put shiplap on the walls, paint it white.
Make it look really nice. Nick doesn't want to make it nice.
All right. Well, this will be a fun 30-day conversation, right? Okay. We're signing out, guys. Oh, I did like the fifth wheel. I didn't even show it. But there was this awesome fifth wheel. We're gonna find it. I didn't film it. But it was really cool. It had this hideaway bed in the master for like kids, and it had rear living, which we liked. But it was a fifth wheel, which means we would have to get a truck. I think we just want to be debt free, but we also want nice things. It's this fine balance that we have to figure out. Okay, he's screaming. All right, we're gonna go. So what do you think we should do, guys? What do you think we should do? Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.